Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my live. Charing lang. Welcome back to my channel guys. So for today's showbiz update guys, di maging may mouse sa slide. Charing lang, hindi pagiging may mouse sa tube. Konting Mission G update. So yan yung look niya noong January 27 ng gabi. Kasama si best friend niya, si BG Pascual. Yan yung look niya during Samsung Festival 2024. Well, actually, nakita nyo na yan guys sa ibang post. Then, kahapon is beach din nila with the family. So, ayan siya. Yan yung min-ID ng brother niya, si Diego. May kasunod pa yan na video guys habang nagluluto. Silang tatlo, si Diego, si Jessica, and si Max. So, ayan. Breakfast Club, nakatag si Jessica and si Max. Si Maxine Gutierrez. Then, nag-reply din si Jessica sa may din ni Diego. But also, there is me just watching them work. Max and Diego. So, ayan nga yung ganap nila kahapon with the family. Kasi, sabi nga ni Mission Gutierrez, ano bang trip nila pag Sunday is bonding with the family plus food trip, guys. The next update is ito yung mga kaganapan niya during sa Samsung event noong January 27, 2024. Samsung Festival is 24. Samsung Galaxy AI. So, ayan sila ni BG Pascual. Nag-picture. Anong picture? Picture sa mirror selfie. So, ayan. From a fan to na video news from Facebook. So, ayan lang guys. So, ayan yung outfit niya. Grabe ang sexy niya guys. So, ayan lang guys. Ingat. Love lots. If you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Mission G update lang po.